Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making banana pudding ice cream. The ingredients that we're going to need today are heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, Jello banana cream pudding, and also vanilla wafers. We're going to need 2 cups of our heavy whipping cream, 1 package, 34 ounces of our Jello banana cream instant pudding, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Now you can use however many vanilla wafers that you would like, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, to a large bowl, I'm going to add in my 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Okay, I'm going to be using my hand mixer, and we're just going to mix our heavy whipping cream until it forms stiff peaks. Okay guys, we're going to mix this for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, so this is what your heavy cream should look like. Now you can set it to the side. Now you want to get another bowl, and we're going to empty our sweetened condensed milk inside. Now we're going to add in our banana cream pudding mix and also our vanilla extract. All you want to do is mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to get our heavy cream and we're going to add our mixture to it. Next, you want to add some of your cookies, and you just want to crumble them. Remember, you can add as much as you would like. Now we're going to begin to fold in our mixture. And you want to make sure it's nicely combined. Once it's well combined, you want to get a loaf pan. I'm using a large loaf pan, and you want to pour it into it. Now you can just go ahead and level it out. Once you're done, we're going to go ahead and take some more of our crushed wafers, and we're just going to sprinkle them over top. Now we're going to wrap it tightly with saran wrap. Once you have it wrapped nice and tight, you can place it into your freezer. I'm leaving mine overnight to freeze, but you can leave it up to 5 hours. Okay guys, our ice cream is now ready. I had left mine in overnight, so now I'm going to get ready to scoop it and place it into our bowls. Okay guys, so here we have it, our homemade banana pudding ice cream. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.